Thank you, Madam Speaker. I'd like to thank the Leader of Opposition for the question. Madam Speaker, the Nassori Town Municipal Market and the bus stand have two disabled facilities or restrooms, one at the market and one at the bus stand. The disabled-friendly facilities are situated at the outside ramp and at key strategic areas for entry to the facility. So they have actually a ramp. They have also an internal ramp at the strategic intervals to provide access to people with disabilities. Madam Speaker, there is also one disabled car park dedicated solely for people with disabilities and who actually may be driving, Madam Speaker. Of course, there are people at the municipal markets that are ready to help them, so I'm not sure what the Honourable Leader of Opposition was mentioning when she talked about how to make Nassori Market and bus stand more disability friendly. Whether she's asking that there is not enough, or maybe she does not know that there is actually a disability toilet facility both at the market and at the bus stand. There currently is. Madam Speaker, also I'd like to refer the Honourable Leader of Opposition to the flyer that we keep on referring to. This is for the budget spend. She'll also see in this there's a specific allocation of $500,000 of retrofitting existing footpaths in urban areas to improve access for people living with disabilities, where $500,000 has been dedicated to it. The first half of the question, Madam Speaker, is about some municipal councils. If we can tell the Honourable Leader of Opposition, Albert Park, Suva has disabled-friendly facilities, ramp and a lift. Tikaram Park, Lemmy has disabled-friendly facilities and a ramp. Langere Municipal Market, Nasinu has disabled-friendly facilities, which is currently being built. Namaka Municipal Market in Nandi will also have disability facilities and ramp and lift. And Reki Reki Municipal Market will also have disability-friendly facilities, ramp and a lift when it is completed. Already, Madam Speaker, the Mayasuba Park upgrade has included disability-friendly access. The Suba Olympic Pool has also disability-friendly access. Nandi Town Council, the Nandi bus stand station washroom facilities, the Nandi Council building has washroom facilities for disabled persons. And Singatoga Town Council, Madam Speaker, the market and bus station restroom upgrade has disability restroom facilities also, Madam Speaker. Of course, Madam Speaker, we are continuing to do more, and more will be done, Madam Speaker, as budgetary allocations have been made. And as elucidated earlier on, there are already facilities where the Honourable Member was mentioning, but of course we'll be doing a lot more. Thank you.